Today on World Famous Foods with Mr. Nez, spinach and chicken quiche. Let's cook. Alright folks, so we got our 4 eggs. We're going to add a little bit of seasoning to the eggs. I don't have any Slap Your Mama because normally I would use that. Going to put the milk. Mix this up. Yeah, this is going to be good now. With our onions. Our chicken. We use some rotisserie chicken. Spinach. Just mix this all up. Okay, and add some cheese. Okay, be right back. All right, so are we gonna fill our pie crust? Look at that goodness, folks. Look at that goodness. We're gonna bake this at 375 Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius for about 35 to 45 minutes. Check it with a toothpick, check the center, make sure it's set. But once it starts getting golden brown, right. Okay, so we're gonna just add some more cheese on the top. Then we're gonna put it in the oven. And it'll be done. All right, folks, it's been 45 minutes. Let's check. Make sure this thing is done. Out and nice and clean. All right, we're gonna let this sit for about 10 minutes before we cut it. All right, folks, it's been 10 minutes. We let that sit. Look at this. Smells so good. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Okay. World Famous Foods, chicken and spinach quiche. Time to enjoy.